Okay, welcome back to Larigan, Japan. So today I come up to this little nature village. I used to come here when the kids were young. We used to come up here. They have a pond. You could fish for yabbies in the pond. You can get fishing rods inside. You hire fishing rods, are cheap, 50 yen or 100 yen or something. You can hire them and that. So there's a lot of wildlife around here, birds and that. This guy here's got a big lens on his camera, big tripod. Been out filming birds. So here they've got all the different things you can see. Different birds, butterflies, dragonflies, all different things. So this is the place here. Yeah, this place here. We're sort of here. Used to be able to catch yabbies in there. But really nice. Really nice. We'll have a bit of a look around. You know, can't have fires and that. Got to be careful, there's snakes around here. Got signs up, snakes and spiders and that. But this is the pond here. So it's quite pretty. And you could sit here and the kids used to like it. Be fishing for yabbies, catch some yabbies and then throw them back in. Yabbies, I suppose, little crayfish. It's really nice. They've got some benches you can sit on and that. It's a bit overcast today. The weather's not real good today, but still, yeah, a lot of snakes, see? Mamushi. So they're poisonous. You have to be careful for mamushi around here. But yeah, it's really nice, the little pond. You've got benches around, you can sit and that and relax. Little outdoor areas you can sit and different things. Little gazebo sort of thing. Toilets and that. We'll have a bit of a look inside here. Yeah, they're telling you don't walk around in thongs. You got the snakes and spiders, ticks. So inside here, different things they've made and that. So it's good for kids. They can make things and do things. Arts and crafts and that. So you've got crabs they've made. Little Ferris wheel sort of things. Got fish tanks with different things. Oh, you got fish in here and that. All the different fish and different things. Yeah, but you used to be able to hire the fishing rods in here. Got tables and that, you can sit down and read stuff. There we go, we can go just head outside again. Then over this side. Over this side you can walk around over here. So over here they have the Lotus. It's not sort of the season's all past for that, but yeah, they've got these paths you can sort of wander through. You know, it's really nice. It's a great place to bring the kids. We used to come up here for hours. The kids would wander around and do things, and yeah, you got all the different stuff in here. It's good for kids to learn a bit about nature and that. So, you know, it's a great place to come. They're doing some work, so we won't walk on it. But all these different paths and that, you can wander around. So these are great places. Cost you nothing to come. All free. Little nature reserve I suppose it is. Yeah, that's really pleasant with all the walkways through the thing, and it's very pleasant, very peaceful. I think there's a big dam up on top of the hill from what I can remember. We'll just go have a bit of a look. Ah, here they got all the kaki, what do you call them? Persimmons or whatever. Persimmons. Yeah, telling you don't enter. Don't enter them. They don't want you taking them. But yeah, it's really pleasant. Got a bit of a highway over there. But yeah, we won't walk on their work. Yeah. Oh, well, they've got the dam up here, and we'll just wander up here. But it's nice in summer. They've got all these places you can sort of sit under, get out of the sun. So here are these persimmons here. You can see them. Anyway, let's just head up here. So a lot of people come here and take photos of birds and different things. Never really been into bird photography myself. Looks like I got kingfishers or something up here. Ah, that's right, they've got sort of trails you can go along here too. That's right, I remember. You got a big, what do you call him? Praying mantis here. He doesn't look that healthy, but yeah, you got all this water here with the different birds and that. You got trails along here. Ah, you can walk up the end. That's right, there's stuff up the end up there. So this is why I like living in the country, you know, like, this is fantastic. This is like a 15-minute drive from home. All you can hear is birds and that sort of thing. So it's great. Come up here and relax. Detox from the stress of the city. Well, I'm not in the city anyway, but you know, if you did live in the city, come out to places like this, and it's nice to get in touch with nature, I suppose, and just enjoy your life. Japanese tend to work too hard and that sort of thing, so I think it's nice to have places like this where they can relax. But yeah, these places are great for kids. My kids used to love coming up here. Daughter used to bring some of her friends and they'd be fishing in that pond for yabbies for hours, you know. It was nice. They used to have a great time. You can drive up here by the look of it. It is like a bit of a road. But you know, it's really pleasant in here. Got all these signs. Yeah, they've carved them all out of the wood. See? Unreal. Carved them all out of the wood. Oh yeah, got like picnic area and that up here. Yeah, like a picnic area, you can sit down and have lunch and that. You can't have fires and things like that. Then you've got more snakes around here, so you've got to be careful with snakes out in the sticks. But there's not many around now. We're coming on to winter. We're only another month and we're in winter, but still really warm, you know. See, you've got this area you can sit in. Nice table they're made out of logs. Made recently, October 2024, so this month it was made. They've just made it. But here they've got rice, they've harvested rice, they've got it here drying. But yeah, that's just a little bit of a look at a nature reserve you can find in Japan. So they're great places to visit. Oh, here's a car driving up here now. Ah, they're telling you don't catch the kuwagata and kabutomushi. Don't have your pets in here, dogs and that. Be careful of the snakes and bees. Don't throw your rubbish. They're telling you no fires and no cigarettes. And no drones, you can't have drones in here. But anyway, that's a bit of a look. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, if you can please like it and subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Starting to get a few subscribers now, I'm pretty happy with that. So anyway, that's all for today. Till next time, have a good one.